Big up everybody who check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now it sounds like the $3 trillion we're missing from the government has reached the ears of the supporters of the JLP. And now them vex because they must say even recently in a them community worker run and MPs and councils are telling them say they don't have enough money to pay all the community members who want to participate. Now them are here say $3 trillion missing. People if you don't want answers, comment answers. Remember when you see what go on and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Me plate a green and me drink my soup out of bad man, eh? Look, me as a man, me believe, look here, up to me blood clot, plate clot, them a green. And see it there, me beg them look for work around me not get none. So me a punk. Eh? Whole on a put, look there, for show you me a labor right. Me nah hitch up round no man, Miss Diana the realest labor right, me know bad man, me I tell you that straight. Miss Diane, I want the boy we are run around the politician, them man a fight against you bad man. Like some man not fi make no money, I want a loan fi make money. Bad man, me beg on a work. I work, me blood clot beg on me have a little weed worker when a good bad man. Me have to barely a work, I want to have road work around, I want to give some devil live per man lane.
Now the people must say, this is a major disgrace. $3 trillion unaccounted for. And I like say them must say, the government invest the money in a SSL. And that go on. The money just missing so. With the amount of industries where the people must say underfunded by the state. Now the people list 3 ministries. Now the people must say with those ministers for the ministry them. Come tell the people them what really happen. Because basically it seems as if the people in leadership, not only are these specific ministries mentioned, but just the whole government overall, it seems like they don't really know what they do. That's what most people think. Surprisingly, that's where most people have now arrived at as a conclusion. Say most of these MPs that are placed as ministers of certain ministries don't know what they do. Confused. And as a result, what the people might ask for is like they must say it. And it go to their ears. Because these people don't know how to either answer the questions of the people or give them what they want. Now the people must say it has reached the point where people internationally are asking what that take place on the Jamaican island. As a matter of fact, recently somebody pointed out something to me. Them said me notice say people from other Caribbean countries, I think St. Lucia, and visiting the Jamaican island, they would have some kind of, meeting with some people from the Integrity Commission. And they would applaud. And I say, the work that the Integrity Commission is doing is good work. And I'm glad to see, a government entity who is supposed to keep government personnel in check, doing such a good job. Surprisingly enough, we have the Prime Minister of said country with said Integrity Commission before the judicial system. You must say he don't like the way or the Integrity Commission are going. You must say it's almost like the Integrity Commission is in support of the opposition. Keep in mind, once upon a time, it was said that the Integrity Commission was in support of the no government when it was the then opposition. It's almost like when one particular party is in power and the Integrity Commission do what they do, it will appear to them as if they are doing this for the opposition. Now the people must say, what really happen to? Seeing that, remember, the government that seek re-election. All them things take place and I get revealed to the people while the government is seeking to be re-elected. What really go on? Do you believe, or may I ask you directly, do you still have confidence in the administration? It was the Prime Minister alone. Because the thing is, while we hear certain people from the government that say The Integrity Commission and certain people that talk certain things about the Prime Minister and this about the Prime Minister, speaking in defense of the Prime Minister. You know what them forget? Or them not seem to realize? The people them, they long fed up with them, you know. All the other ministers for all the other ministries. The people them long fed up with, you know. The people them never want to hear on talk. Much as we are talking in defense of somebody else. What happens now is that for recent years, anytime something with certain ministries, seeing that the Prime Minister was the face and also the leader of the party, the leader of the country, while people address them frustration to those ministries, to those ministers, certain people, certain MPs, whatever, them also mention the Prime Minister. Now the thing is, the Prime Minister was then the most popular parliamentarian. So, you know, even normally talk for them and say, no, people, them a try, them a this, them a that, and try to, you know, ease the vibes of the people. No certain scandal take place where him and the person where the people might talk about. So it's hard for him forward and say, people, no, this a go on and talk for them because no people are talk about him. So you know what them a do? Them a try to say, alright, them a do the Prime Minister a favour. But you know what them a say them a do? But them a say, since how him did talk in defense of them, them a try to do it for him. What them not realize is that them not have the credibility where him did have. And some people that say emphasize on the word did, but them not have no form of that credibility there. The people don't like them. The reason why the Prime Minister could talk in defense of some of them other people are because people didn't like the Prime Minister. And they must say, alright, the Prime Minister talking, I must say this, same and that. Now we see it where supporters of the party I say, yo, certain situation that take place with the Prime Minister, and either them not talk about that. They must say, uno other MPs and councillors we attack, uno no fi attack. And that we see take place right now. Supporters of the government that say the other people in the government no fi attack. Them should have shame themselves. Them should have so shame of what take place with them. Them don't have time to talk about nobody else, even if them attack up or speak in defense of somebody else. Tell me what you think. The people also say, we don't need to ask them again. Because the support that is now being shown to the opposition, we have never seen it. Now we see why the government is kind of hesitant for call a general election. I clearly say, and I said they never have the money, because $3 trillion missing. The money they could have used with that. But I guess for other reasons. I guess I have to say how much more support them can win until them have to call an election. But I will say, I just more people now, we see international people, I say, yo, why go on the Jamaican island? $3 trillion can just go missing, sir? From a third world developing country? So nobody never realized it 3 trillion. You know what happened recently? Recently after we say, no, we are $3 trillion missing. But you know what happened recently? Only nobody talk about. For the very first time in Jamaican history, the then most celebrated Minister of Finance budgeted or tabled in Parliament, bring forth in a Parliament, a over $1 trillion budget for the country. Over $1 trillion. First in Jamaican history. Did you know that? So the budget for the Jamaican island, for them do how them do, was $1 trillion. But certain people couldn't get no wage increase. Out of that $1 trillion, they only see that people them with them they guarantee them wage increase for are parliamentarians. So I see them start people and I say, yo, re-elect them. You have some people who are going to really and truly ask the question, re-elect them for do what? But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours. Well, first and foremost, when you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Of course, the comment section of 24/7 is never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper. And for to stay tuned.